Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about something pretty profound, the hidden mechanics of a divine support system, all laid out in the Quran. Think of it like a cosmic circuit that's powering the journey of every single soul. All right, so here's how we're going to break it down. We're going to map out this whole cosmic circuit, figure out what actually powers it, and then we'll meet its angelic engineers. And most importantly, we'll see where we fit into this incredible system. Okay, first things first, let's get our heads around the core concept. According to the source material we're looking at, existence isn't just some straight line from A to B. No, it's actually a powerful, repeating cycle, kind of like a four-stroke engine that's constantly driving creation forward. So what is this circuit? Well, you can think of it as the soul's epic journey. It's basically a feedback loop that takes us from our raw, untapped potential, puts us through this process of purification, and in the end, brings us right back to the divine source. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting, because this isn't just some abstract theory. This whole thing maps out our inner life. It all kicks off with desire, that's our earthly self, the nafs. Then you get sovereignty, which is our freedom to choose. Of course, that choice leads right into struggle, the big test. And here's the crucial part. Based on how we struggle, that's when divine angelic support steps in. That support then helps refine our desires, and boom, the loop starts all over again, hopefully spiraling us upward. So, a big question, right? What actually powers this whole cosmic engine? Well, the source material points to something really fundamental, duality. It's this cosmic push and pull that provides all the energy for the entire cycle. So on one hand, you've got light, or nur. This is your pure, divine guidance, the knowledge that lights up the right path. And on the other hand, you've got fire, or nar. Now, this isn't about simple destruction. Think of it more as a purifying force. It's that intense trial that really tests our pride by, well, burning away all the falsehood. It's the tension between these two that actually drives our growth. And you know what? This big external duality, it's mirrored right inside each of us. We have the spirit, the Rooh, which is our connection to the divine. It's kind of like our wave-like potential, right? It holds everything we could be. Then we've got the self, the nafs. That's our physical, particle-like form that has to deal with the world, the ego, the desires. The whole journey, really, is just the dance between these two states, learning to navigate the pull of our lower self to elevate our spirit. And this quote, wow, it just brilliantly sums up the ultimate goal of the whole circuit. It's not just about reaching light, it's about light upon light. This is a layered state of pure, absolute truth. The sources talk about it as unseen knowledge, the wave, being layered on top of manifest truth, the particle. The whole system, this entire circuit, is designed to guide us toward that state. Okay, so we've got the engine and the fuel. Now, let's meet the engineers. These are the operators of the system, the divine support that makes sure the circuit runs perfectly and responds to every single choice we make. Remember that four-step loop? This is that critical fourth step, the intervention that makes the whole thing work. This verse right here is absolutely key. It establishes a huge principle. The divine plan isn't just some passive idea. Nope, it is actively being executed. It says the angels and the spirit descend with every single command. That means they are implementing every part of this system in real time. So check this out. There's a clear division of labor here. You've got Jibril, or Gabriel, who's in charge of guidance and revelation. He's delivering that wave of divine knowledge that helps us make our choices. Then there's Mikael, or Michael. He handles sustenance and action, the particle. He's the one managing provision and bringing divine will into the physical world. And then you've got this special group of 19 angels who are the guardians. And that number, 19, is a really big deal in the source material. It's presented as a divine constant. The Quran says, over it are 19, and these are described as the guardians of reality itself. Think of it like an unbreachable code, a mathematical seal that makes sure the whole system and the truth it carries can never, ever be corrupted. Okay, all of this brings us to the final and honestly the most important part of this whole thing. So what? What does this massive cosmic blueprint actually mean for you and me in our daily lives? See, this isn't just some abstract cosmology. It's the story of your soul. This entire system, that four-stroke loop, the push and pull of light and fire, the backup from the angelic engineers, all of it is actively playing out inside our own lives right now. Every single choice you make, every trial you face, is another turn of this cosmic engine, shaping your personal journey back home to the source. So let's just end on this thought. If the entire system is so perfectly designed, if it's flawlessly maintained by these powerful divine forces, if guidance, sustenance, and even the integrity of truth itself are all guaranteed, then what's left for us to do? What is our role in all of this? Maybe our job isn't to build the machine or to fix it. Maybe it's just to learn how to navigate it, to learn how to turn the wheel of our own souls with wisdom and ultimately with submission.